Welcome to the Two Wheel Centre's YouTube channel. Today we're reviewing this featured bike in Backstreet Heroes with a classic and custom frame and Harley Davidson engine. There's not enough words and enough video time to describe this bike. The best way is to pop down and have a look at it for yourself. My name's Nick, I'm the salesman here. If I can be of any more assistance, then give us a phone call or send me an email. Also, subscribe to this YouTube channel for stock updates. Thank you for watching this video.